Hello guys, in this video I'd like to let you have a free model as a way to preview the course, my Redesign Remake course. So essentially, I take the gun battery from a PlayStation 1 game, Mega Man Legends, and I'll show you how I can recreate it in a nice high quality cinematic asset. So pretty much taking all of the, low polyness and textures and turning it into actual geometry. So guys, this course is a very fun way for beginners to learn to model. It's not just about remaking things, it's also a very fun way just to learn basic modeling principles. So it's great for beginners and intermediate users to learn how to model. And it's great if you want a job where you take old assets, recreate them. It's great for people who are hobbyists and just want to take their franchise and remake them. So it's good for designers who want to learn how to kind of interpret things. So for example, here, you can see how they use the textures to like set up what they wanted to accomplish. But because of the low poly nature, they're not quite able to do that. So, they wanted to have this like piece here, but because of how low poly it is, they couldn't actually have like extra geometry here. So as you can see, the texture kind of awkwardly goes over here like that. So this is actually a very good exercise how you can properly interpret this detail into something which I think should look more like this. So taking old game assets, guys, remaking them is just a fun mental exercise. It's just good training. It's just fun to interpret details from older assets into newer details here as well and recreate them with high poly detail. So guys, go ahead and enjoy these free models. Link for the models in the course is in the description. And if you like the models, if you like the course, go ahead and check it out. And I hope to see your own creations, and I hope to see how you can also take older game assets and recreate them to a new style in higher quality, and maybe give them a new, fresh spin and take on them. So thank you for watching, and take care.